temperature 70 degrees Fahrenheit.
You need to get rid of that bitch. She's
I know.
too much.
I do that.
He's telling you.
Normal mode.
I set it up like that. Now the blades were way out of track too the first time, so we'll see.
Stunt 1. Temperature 72 degrees Fahrenheit.
I'm not even sure what RPM that is. Tail's not really holding much. The blades are still out a little bit. Shaking, probably from the blade.
Rudders vibrate a little, don't they?
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at.
Wow, we need some support, huh? Something.
They're really flimsy, but it's probably because the yeah, it makes it sensitive too. It's probably because of them blades not being in track. Might as well fly it, let it crash, right?
Nose heavy now, isn't
it? Get rid of that shaking.
Is it still nose heavy? It don't look.
No, it ain't. Oh, damn.
He's cleaning the parking lot.
I got to get rid of that shaking now. Let's try this one. I think this is
You got your camera going?
yeah, it should be. Is it red? Little red dot.
What? Don't see nothing.
Yeah, dead recording.
It's on the other side. I couldn't see it.
Still shakes at this RPM. Sensitive too, man. Damn. The blades are, yeah, they had a track. That's why that's shaking. I bet you, man.
Oh, you mean the tail rotor?
Yeah, and the damn.
They look like they're.
Let me see something.
They look like they're doing a little bit, don't they? See it? They're vibrating.
Yeah.
Why are they vibrating?
Oh, let me set this down.
Maybe one of them's not in balance. Something's not.
No, I think they're out of track. You know what I'm saying? In other words, they're not tracking, and that'll make it vibrate. Let me see if I could turn this gyro gain up a little bit. I got it in heading hold, and it doesn't seem to be still holding with the right rudder.
Temperature 113 degrees Fahrenheit.
Turn that up.
They're running smooth, but it almost seems like they're doing this, huh?
All right.
Something's causing the vibration, huh?
Flight pack 40
You see, they're really flimsy.
Yeah.
Frame
They're-
forces 0, hold
I mean, look, there's nothing to them.
Oh yeah,
You know?
they ain't gonna hurt nothing. They just.
No, the blades are better than they were when I flew the mechanics. But let's try it now, quick. See if the
I wonder
tail holds.
that thing would
Temperature
look
109
if you took them off.
Fahrenheit.
They'll come off. I didn't glue them. I screwed them
I
on.
wonder if it might look better, huh?
Well, that's the way it's supposed to
Yeah,
look.
the Nightingale.
Normal mode.
Let's see if the tail holds a little better now.
Temperature
Only got a minute
107
left.
degrees Fahrenheit. Sun 1.
It really vibrate when it cranks up, don't it?
I wonder if I could. I wonder if I could.
Smoothed out.
I wonder if I could stiffen it up, stiffen them things up somehow.
Light 46.
Yeah, that's a little better. I could let go of the stick now. Yeah, that's annoying. That vibrating, isn't it?
Well, when you're flying it out there, you don't see it.
Yeah. See that? You can see that?
It seems like it's flying a little smoother. You know, it's not as.
Oh, that's me on the stick.
you?
Yeah. I'm a sucky pilot. You see the blades? They are out a little bit, but not as bad as they were. I mean, how do you track 4-blade heads? It's gotta suck.
116 degrees.
That's hands off. That fly's good. I'd love to get that shake out. But she's sensitive. Look at this thing, man. Sensitive as hell.
You're moving it around, but isn't mine, man? I don't know what it is. It's something I ain't got yet.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll get it. I just got to keep messing with it. Seems like the thing wants to keep going, you know, like this or that, but it's probably me. Yeah, it's flying good, ain't it?
172 degrees. I think I put the telemetry on there for that ESC. 172, that ain't bad.
Damn sun. Got our shadows. See if I can get the blades. You can see them in here oscillating. You're getting where the blades are slowing down.
I had to take the cockpit out completely to get it to balance.
23 degrees Fahrenheit.
You see where I put the batteries? Just strap them up front. I mean, you see these things on YouTube. Guys are flying them
Now you can put
with cockpits in them.
yeah, you can put the seats on top of the battery, right? Is that where they were?
Well, the seats were behind it, and then but I had a dash and everything. Let me shut this off.